What's up, everybody? Josh Jacobs here again with another video. And in today's video, I want to talk to you about goal setting. Now, the reason I want to talk about it is because number one, I have just set a bunch of goals for myself. But number two, it is January 12th right now, and it's right around the time where people fall off of their New Year's resolutions and revert to their old habits. And what I want to talk about is some of the things that I've learned about setting goals that have helped me actually start achieving my goals rather than just year after year having the exact same goal that I never achieved, which happened for years. So the biggest difference in changing my goals is that I started making them action based rather than outcome based, meaning instead of saying, I need to lose 50 pounds. I said I need to work out for a minimum. I need to do a minimum of 10 minutes of cardio per day and eat a maximum of 50 grams of net carbs per day. If I do that, I will lose 50 pounds. This is when I was 320 pounds. But when my goal was just lose 50 pounds, I literally made that goal year after year after year for probably, 5 to 8 years, something like that, maybe longer. And I never lost that weight. But when I made it action oriented and I said do at least 10 minutes on the treadmill a day or any sort of cardio and eat under 50 grams net carbs per day. As long as I do that the majority of days, I lost weight. And I did lose weight, obviously. I lost 100 pounds. And that worked out. Same thing with making money and quitting my job. I wanted to quit my job. I wanted to make money. But I needed to have some sort of action-oriented goal with that. So what I did was I had a certain number of educational hours I wanted to spend every day learning. I had a certain amount of output that I needed to get done every single day. And long story short, after 4 months of achieving daily goals that I set for myself that are action-based rather than make $100 a day, it's send 100 emails a day. Something like that, right? And long story short, after 4 months, I was able to quit my job, and now today am partners in a multiple seven-figure business, and it's all because of creating action-based goals rather than just creating an outcome goal and not taking the necessary action to achieve that outcome. So, if you are setting goals, make them action-based and start very small. When I started my cardio goal, it actually wasn't even 10 minutes a day. It was 5 minutes a day. It was 5 minutes a day. But the reason I wanted to do it every single day was because that some days I went 45 minutes. Some days I only went 5 minutes. But it was the habit that it instilled in me that no matter what, I was going to get up and do my 5 minutes. And some days I got on there and I was like, hell yeah, I'm going to go for 45 minutes. I'm going to go for an hour and a half. And some days all I could do was the 5 minutes. But that consistency and that discipline is what built the habit. And that's ultimately what changes your life and helps you achieve your goals, is building new habits, right? That's what you need to achieve your goals, is new habits. And creating action-based goals is essentially you setting yourself up to create a new habit. So I highly recommend that you do that. The other thing I recommend is having goals in multiple different categories, because if all of your goals rely around one category, for example, if you have all these goals based around your career and then it doesn't happen, you will be devastated. But if you have a goal around your career, around your fitness, around your nutrition, around your education, around all sorts of things, as long as you hit a majority of them, even when you fail on one, you're not going to be devastated. All of your mental health isn't in the basket of one single goal. So I recommend action-based goals and diversifying your goals among multiple different categories. Again, you don't have to listen to me. Who the hell knows what I don't know what I know. But I will tell you that changing that little amount, making those little changes, I was able to lose 100 pounds. I'm able to make more money than I ever have made before. I am basically living the life that I wanted to live when I created these goals. And now that I'm living that life, I've created much bigger goals with a lot more action involved to become the person that is capable of living the life that I envision for myself in a handful of years. And so I'll leave you with that. And I hope you have a great day. Let me know in the comments how you set your goals or some of the goals that you have for this year. And I will see you in the next video.